So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this problem in your Roblox game, the avatar page is temporarily unavailable. So guys, you can watch this video till end because I'm showing this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, today Roblox game servers is down right now. Yes guys, you can watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means the Roblox game is down today. So guys, what is the solution of this problem? So guys, as you know, the Roblox game servers is down. It means these Roblox team working on fixing these servers, it may take some minute or an hour. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour. Till then, the Roblox game team fixed the servers. Yes guys, it may take some minute or an hour, so guys you can wait for some time. And guys, if you guys having any other problem, you can comment me and I'm trying to solve your problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.